This is a test. This is a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. If this had been an actual emergency, man, you would be clueless, man. Put your phone down. Turn it off. Look, you're too busy loving photos and watching videos on social media that you didn't even notice the Amber Alert that had come across your phone earlier today. This information is very critical to your state, to your town, to your community, your neighborhood, to those around you that you may or may not know. Look, this information can help save a life. Sex trafficking and human trafficking still happens in our state, so we have to pay attention. Look, I'm just the announcer guy, and this is just a test, but I don't want life or this important information to get by you. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system. We now return you to your regular Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, Candy Crush, Texas Hold'em, and Tinder. Please swipe left.